shopping and directions.
How much does this cost?
It's $20.
You have this in a different color.
Yes, we have it in red and black.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 30 days with the receipt.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's just outside the store on the left.
Could you gift wrap this?
Sure. It will take a few minutes.
How do I get to the bus station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, and you'll see it on your right.
Is this item available online?
Yes, you can order it from our website.
What time does the store close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Can I get this delivered?
Yes, we offer free home delivery.
Do you sell groceries here?
No, but there's a supermarket nearby.
How much does this weigh?
It weighs about 2 kilograms.
Can I see another size?
Certainly, I'll bring it for you.
Travel and transportation. When does the next train leave?
It leaves at 3:30 p.m.
How much is the ticket to Dammam?
It's 15 riyals for one-way ticket.
Where is the bus stop?
It's just across the street.
Can I rent a car here?
Yes, there's a rental service nearby.
How far is the airport?
It's about 15 kilometers from here.
What's the best way to get to Dammam?
You can take a taxi or the subway.
Is this the train to Dammam?
Yes, it is.
Can I take my bike on this train?
Yes, but there's a small fee.
Do I need to book tickets in advance?
It's recommended, especially during peak hours.
How long does the journey take?
It takes about 2 hours.
Is there a direct flight to Riyadh?
Yes, there's one at 5 p.m.
Can you call a cab for me?
Sure, I'll call one right away.
Where can I find a map?
There's one at the information desk.
Do you have Wi-Fi on this train?
Yes, it's free for all passengers.
Is there a restroom on the bus?
Yes, it's at the back.
How far is the bus stop from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk from this location.
What's the best way to get to the city centre?
You can take the metro. It's fast and convenient.
What time does the last bus leave?
The last bus departs at 11 p.m.
Are there any discounts for students?
Yes. Students can get a 10% discount with an ID card.
Shopping and directions. How much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Yes. We have size small available.
Where can I find the electronics section?
It's on the 2nd floor.
Can I return this item?
Yes, within 30 days with the receipt.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, there's a 10% discount on all clothing.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is accepted.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, we have gift cards starting from $10.
Can you deliver this to my house?
Yes, we offer home delivery for an extra fee.
What time does the store open?
We open at 9 a.m.
Is there a parking lot here?
Yes, there's free parking at the back.
Can I try these shoes on?
Of course, the fitting area is over there.
Where's the cashier?
It's near the exit.
Do you sell international products?
Yes, we have a section for imported items.
Are these fruits fresh?
Yes, they were delivered this morning.
Where's the nearest grocery store?
It's 2 blocks away.
Can I get this wrapped as a gift?
Sure. We offer free gift wrapping.
How far is the shopping mall from here?
It's about 3 miles away.
Do you accept returns without a receipt?
No. A receipt is required for all returns.
Are there any seasonal sales?
Yes, our winter sale starts next week.
Can you show me more options?
Sure. Let me bring some more items for you.
Is there a place to sit while shopping?
Yes, there are benches near the entrance.
How can I get to the nearest pharmacy?
Walk straight and take the first right.
Can I buy this online?
Yes, it's available on our website.
What's the return policy?
You can return items within 30 days with a receipt.
Do you sell batteries?
Yes, they're in aisle 4.
Where is the food court?
It's on the 2nd floor, near the elevators.
How do I get to the restrooms?
They're down the hall, to the left.
Can you tell me where the ATM is?
It's next to the main entrance.
Where can I find the information desk?
It's in the center of the mall.
Is there a bookstore here?
Yes, it's on the 3rd floor near the escalators.
How can I get to the parking area?
Take the escalator down to the basement.
Where is the nearest coffee shop?
It's right by the entrance to the east wing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.